Good morning. It's Saturday, January 10th, 2026, day 61 of my 10,000 steps a day challenge to myself. It's a very gray day. It's not raining yet. It'll start raining in about 4 hours, so we're going to get this done before then. It's 40 degrees, but it's incredibly damp in the air. So we'll get this done. Let's go. Very gray Saturday morning. See some little peaks of sunlight out there. But it's not raining yet, and that's all that I care about, to get this walk in. I know I won't melt in the rain, but if I can get it done before the rain, that's what I'm going to do. It's 40 degrees. It's just a little damp. I won't say the M word, but let's keep going. Now down at Anchor Beach in Milford. That sky still has the ominous look to it of the impending rain, but still got plenty of time to finish this walk and get my 10,000 plus steps in. Very mild, so that's nice. And no wind, as you can see by the flagpole. Let's keep going. A lonely seagull foraging for food. Looks like he got something in his beak. There he goes. Bye, Mr. Seagull. Down at the other end of Anchor Beach now. As you see, still very calm and still, which is the way we like it. So let's finish this walk. Day 61 on Saturday, January 10th. Complete 22,691. And for mileage, let's check my Nike app on that. Let's see, 8.6 for today. Pretty darn good. See you tomorrow for day 62. Bye.